Today is day 236 of the year of streaming and learning to code. We are continuing on here at Code Wars yet again. Oh, look at that. There was, whatever that was, something about hack reactor. Don't mind me. Maybe that notification will come up again. No? Nothing? Maybe we can look up. It said something about hack reactor. Hack reactor. Something about a free JavaScript course. No? Maybe I'm crazy. I could have sworn it was a thing. Perhaps not. That's okay. We'll go ahead, close out of that. Back into Code Wars. We are on the hunt for a brand new CADA for us to tackle. Let's do CADA most completed. Level 6 and fundamentals. Hopefully, loading, and fundamentals. Way cool. So, continuing on down the list, we have persistent burger and create a phone number. Let's look at the two. Alright, so persistent persistent burger. No, persistent bugger. Yeah. I'm hungry. It's been a while since we've indulged in our last meal. So clearly we have food on the mind. Also, yeah, concerned about how our thinking's going to be going since we are rather hungry, but we'll figure that out. Nothing like stumbling through CADA, which we are definitely used to. Persistent bugger. Write a function, persistence, that takes in a positive parameter, num, and returns its multiplicative persistence. Which is the number of times you must multiply the digit in the number until you reach a single digit. What? No, hold on. I don't understand. For example, persistence. 39 is equivalent to 3 because 3 times 9 equals 27. Oh, so 39 is like the starting point. Gotcha. And we need to figure out what it should return because 3 times 9 is 27. And then 27 would be 2 times 7, which is 14. And then from there would be 1 times 4, which is 4. We're back down in the single digits. 999, 729 would be 7 times 2 times 9 equals 126. 126 equals 12, blah, blah, blah. Finally, 1 and 2. Okay, interesting. Interesting. And then lastly, 4. Well, it's already there. 0. I'm trying to wrap my head around how we would end up processing that. What would we do? We'd take that and break it into a string, I guess. And we'd multiply by I. until the length is 1 digit? I think. I don't know. We'll worry about that potentially later. Let's see if this is any better. Create phone number. Write a function that accepts an array of 10 integers between 0 and 9 that returns a string of those numbers in the form of a phone number. Example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0 returns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Write a function that accepts an array of 10 integers between 0 and 9 that returns a string of those numbers in the form of a phone number. The return format must be correct in order to complete this challenge. Don't forget the space after the closing parentheses. This just seems like concatenating, but are they going to give us different? I think I wanted this one. This one seems to be easier and quicker, which is what we're looking for. So this isn't a random phone number generator. They're just going to be giving us any 10 digits, and we just need to put it into phone number format with the parentheses and so forth and such. You know what I would do is splice these things. That's what I'm thinking. We already have our array. This is just concatenating with a couple splices. Return format must be correct order. Don't forget the spaces after the closing parentheses. I think we're good. I think we're going to be in the clear. Let's go ahead and do numbers dot splice, and we'll do 0 to 3 because we want 0, 1, and 2. 3 is not included in Splice. And let's do return. Run sample. Okay, got 1, 2, and 3. So what would that do? Splice and then join? Let's try dot join. Splice those. Dot join. And run sample. Why does it do the commas? You know what? Maybe we need quotes. Run that. There we go. That's the string we're looking for. So now it's just really concatenating everything. So we could do in quotes, parenthesis, plus, hey there, little kitty. How are you doing? Something something plus numbers join plus, it's very hard to type through your legs, little cat. Thank you. Okay, I think we got it. Let's try that on for size, and if this looks good, then we'll keep going down this path. Aha, it does work. Good. Alright, so this, you know what we could do? We could actually put a space right here. See, look at that. And that will include the space after the parentheses. Pretty awesome, right? Now, from here, we will want to continue, and we can basically just do number splice like so, copy, and plus number splice frac. Start from 3 and go to 7. Yeah. 4, 6. We're panicking. 6. Because that'd be 3, 4, and 5. Right? Why does this look terrible? Number splice 3, 7, 8. Is it cutting away at the original? Damn, I can't remember how it functions again. Let's do... I thought it would have just started right there at the end, but that's clearly not the case. Let's try 0 through 3 again. Interesting. 0 through 3. So number splice, because there's split and splice, and both have different functionality. One changes the original array versus one creates a new one, and clearly it seems like splice is the one that affects the original array. We can go to MDN and just briefly verify that. I just want to kind of piece this nightmare together right here. Yes, look at that. We are getting there. So let's go ahead and double check at MDN. MDN, JavaScript, Splice. Splicing. You know, maybe it's slice that I was thinking of. I could have sworn it was splice that I wanted. Splice, slice. Oh, split is just a break. We don't, or that's to split is to turn a string into an array. That's what it is. All these damn S words. So splice, the splice method changes the contents of an array by removing existing elements or adding new ones. Okay. So it's changing the original. That's what's going down. Variable myFish, we have a new variable, myFish splice, and it removes that. MyFish then returns the modified original variable or array, and the removed is nothing. Continuing on, myFish splice 1, 3. That's the original. We've removed one thing in the third position, which was Mandarin. So the removed is Mandarin, but the original is now missing said Mandarin fish. All right, so that's what we were dealing with. So that's why we did 1 through 3, and it's not returning the same 1 through 3, or 0 through 3. And we can do 0 through 3 again because it's in a different state. Those numbers have been removed by that point. So that means we'll be able to continue to it again and do number splice join with 0 to 4. This time, 0 to 4. And I think we should be good. I wonder if we should have this broken down on different lines, but I think it's mostly okay. Look at that. We did it. That's at least for the run test. Hey, little cat. No, little cat. We are very close to succeeding. If you could just maybe chill over here. Look at you, covered in fur. No, no, no. We don't, no stepping on things. Yeah. Wait, what are you doing? Where are you going? You gonna nap there? No sleeping on the keyboard. No, princess. Hey, we are so close. Look at that. We did pretty good. I realize this was extremely basic, tiny cat, but we succeeded. Now, we just need to verify. That was the sample test. Now we need to verify if that will work for all of them, so we will submit this as our official attempt. Ta-da! B-D-D-D-D-D. Look at that. That is impressive. I can't believe we actually figured that out as fast as we did. This is definitely easier. I'm surprised that they set this as a level 6, but that's okay with me. Considering our lack of food and how tired we are, I think we're gonna call that a day, but look at that. Green across the board. Hot damn. Usually there's like 45 minutes of weeping involved. That is so cool. Alright, let's see what the cool kids had to submit. Although I'm rather pleased with our solution, especially since we didn't have a complete meltdown. She's loading. Aha! Look at that. Yeah. Gotcha. So, return. That is easier to read, but numbers join numbers. Return numbers, substring, 0 to 3, 0 to 6. I think it's because I didn't set up an actual variable. It kept just chewing away at it. So I'm not sure if that's better format. Or, you know, better formatting. This makes sense. It's essentially all that we have, but they just did numbers.join as a variable, which isn't terrible. In fact, it's probably better, but let's see. So, did anyone else do anything substantially different? For variable I, numbers length, format, replace x, numbers I in format? Oh, how cool is that? They set up this, and they did replace with the for loop. That's cool. Yeah, mine's the caveman solution, but that is awesome. That's pretty cool. That's tons of fun. Let's see, what else are we looking for? Numbers.join.replace. Kinda weird. I don't even know what I'm looking at in this one. Something about $1 and a 2 and a 3. Who knows? This is numbers.join.replace D, so numbers 3, D3, and then D4, so that's more of the formatting. Oh, it's like the spacing. They're kind of doing formatting, I guess. 1, and then 2, and then 3, so I guess that's where the numbers start. The first set of numbers, the second set of numbers, and the third set of numbers. That's probably what it is. Reducing stuff and replacing. So there are quite a... Wow. Unshift. Splice. There's a couple ways to go about this. Dear God. Individual. They were dedicated to piecing that one together. Well, I'm rather holy... What is... This is what they found on the ship at Roswell. Format numbers... Format numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, those are all the numbers to format to fill out this. There are a surprising number of ways to do this particular CADA. I mean, I know there's a vast, almost infinite number of ways this can be done, but usually I can't comprehend what the hell I'm looking at in the solutions section, but these are all kind of clever. We are, I think, it seems like we came closest to this first one, so that's kind of cool. Good times. Let's go ahead and close out of this noise. And just to touch base before we fully close out. So slice method extracts a solution of a string and returns it as a new string. So here, the morning is upon us, and then there's slicing things. He morn, morning is upon you, is upon us. Okay. Morning is upon us, -3, returns us. Oh, that's right, it ignores the negative and just does the, I think? Is that what it does? Can't recall. That's alright. But Splice was, in fact, what we were looking for. Good times. Good times. Let's go ahead, back out to our profile. Things are loading. Things are loading. Good. Alright, wow, 40% of the way through level 6. Here at Code Wars, we are now 45,713th position. Slowly making progress. That is it for today. Thank you again to anyone and everyone who may have stopped by to view the stream. Any and all views are greatly appreciated. In the meantime, day 236 comes to an end. We are backing out of Code Wars into OBS. Stopping the stream. The adventure continues tomorrow with day 237 of the year of streaming and learning to code. Wow, we are losing it, which is why the stream is coming to an end. Good times. Are you sure you want to stop the stream? Hell yeah. Kill it.